The baby's sleeping. What's that noise? I think there's something wrong with the TV. Can you guess the two sounds we're going to learn about today? Oh crap, I think I just woke the baby. I'm Damien, the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. This series is all about helping you improve your pronunciation. These techniques will make it easier for people to understand you. In this episode, we're focusing on the two sounds sh and zh. By the end of the episode, you'll feel confident in producing these two sounds in English. Okay, before we look at sh and zh, it's important to find out where they sit in the big picture of the phonemic chart, or what I like to call the map of the mouth. This beautiful chart designed by Adrian Underhill shows you what to do with your nose, lips, teeth, tongue, roof of the mouth, jaw, and voice box. This line of the chart are called fricatives. Think friction, two things rubbing up against each other. The friction is caused by your teeth, tongue, and lips. On to this episode's sounds. I've been doing a lot of this. What parts of the mouth are you using to make this sound? To make shh, you put your tongue up and back a little. It's kind of in between the position for s and the hard roof of your mouth. Remember, the tip of your tongue isn't touching. Also, your lips are rounded. Shh. Have a look inside with this animation.
Sh, sure. Sh, sure. Sh, sure.
Still confused? Well, after we look at zh, I'll take you on a journey through your mouth using other directions or sounds to find shh. Okay, I have another 2 for the price of 1 deal. If you can do shh, then you can do zh. To make zh, you turn on your voice box. Let's try it, going from shh to zh. Shh. Zh. Look inside.
J, je, j, je, j, je.
How sounds relate to other sounds around them on the chart can help you zero in and find difficult to produce sounds. Let's take a journey with our tongue starting at f and ending at sh. If you haven't already, make sure you watch my pronunciation workout on the sound f. Okay, with f, your tongue is resting under your 2 front teeth, and then you start to blow air. Now, slowly move your tongue back until it's just behind that gummy ridge. And here you should find the sound s. So you go s. Now if we keep moving the tongue back even further, without touching the roof of your mouth, you will get the sound sh. So let's try it from the start. Remember to round the lips at the end. And to finish off, let's do it backwards. Starting with shh, shh. And there you have it. Shh. Remember, you need to practice like you're going to play. Pronunciation isn't in your brain, it's a physical sport. You need to start moving your facial muscles. To help with this, in each episode, we have a 2-step practice routine. 1, minimal pairs, and 2, tongue twisters. Remember, Don't just say it, feel it and be aware of it in your mouth. Okay, listen and repeat after me. See, she, sip, ship, puss, push, television, treasure. Tongue twisters are good exercises for your mouth. They help you move from different positions in your mouth quickly. So let's do tongue twisters. I'll do it slowly and then quickly, and after that, you give it a go. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. And if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. And quickly, she sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. And if she sells seashells on the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. And number 2, visual revision of a fuselage for corrosion. Quickly, visual revision of a fuselage for corrosion. Remember, practice, like with any skill, is so important with pronunciation. Make sure every day you do some face muscle exercises in front of a mirror or using your iPhone. Also, I have a full playlist that explores all the different sounds on the phonemic chart. That's it for today. And remember, start taking your English mask off today. See you later.